just arrived. The headlight module is the box it came in. Oh yeah, let's get that installed. All right, and then you gotta take off the screw down here. It's right here. I already took it off. And then there's two on the side of the steering wheel here. One here, and then another one here. You could just turn on the car and turn the steering wheel to get to it. And then this should just pop out right here. Right here. We already did the other side, so the other side's ready. Now we just gotta do the other side. There it is. Comes right out. It's a little dirty. Probably clean it. Put it over here for now. And here we go. We got all this room to work with here. Let's see. So where this is gonna go is right here and right here. Go ahead and grab that. Here it is. Starting to rain. Yep, so this one just goes here, and then that one, oh no, this one goes there, and this one goes up in there. And this, just zip tie it somewhere, and it should be good. All right, so you just take this one out here. This goes here. And then you use this adapter that came with it. You put the adapter where that one goes. And then you plug in that side. Plug these two together. All right, and I went ahead and put this behind this harness. That way it's not sticking out over here. And I could just zip tie this up here somewhere. Something like that. I could zip tie it there.